Hey yo, what's good people? It's vdoestech. Today we are checking out the Google Pixel Buds Pro. Now before we dive in too deep, I want to give a huge shout out to myself for picking these up. You thought I was going to say Google. Admit it. Admit you thought I was going to say Google. Google don't know me like that. But for real, I am really excited to dive in and check these out. Never had a pair of Google earbuds before. Just never got around to doing that. So I can finally mark this off the Google checklist. And I am curious of what the sound profile is like. Is it bass heavy? Is it balanced? And they have one feature that I have not tried out before on a pair of earbuds. These have swipe gestures. So I'm really curious at what that is like. Now, these are going for $200. These have ANC, transparency mode, an app, and many more features I can't even think of right now. Wireless charging, all that good stuff that you expect in a pair of premium earbuds. But let's go ahead and open up the box. So you got the pull tab right here, the pull tab right here. Nice and convenient. No box needed. Go ahead. Did I say no box needed? No knife needed. Now in the box you get the earbuds and what are these? These are the tips. So now you seriously don't get a charging cable anymore. They just keep taking more and more out the box. No charge cable. At least you do get different ear size tips. So let's pull that out. Let's see. So you get, oh, that's cool. So it's a little separated capsule. So these must be extra large and these are the smalls. So they are silicone tips, so we'll put those to the side for now. Let's get into the earbuds themselves. Nice egg shape. You know what this looks like? This looks like the white chocolate Easter eggs. That's the first impression. Let's go ahead and pop it open. And there they are. Now, as you can see, I did get the charcoal color. I think the charcoal and the fog color are the two best looking ones. The other two, not my style at all. Let's go ahead and take them out the case. And as you can see, they are already trying to pair up to my Pixel 6 Pro. Let's go ahead and hit connect, close the case. And I really like how these look. Now, I wasn't exactly sure what to expect because I haven't seen them since the announcement they had. But overall, they don't look bad at all. Now, you can see as soon as I opened up the case, connection, try to start up. Let's hit setup. I will allow it. App permissions, asking a bunch of stuff. So basically, this was just a quick unboxing. And I will fast forward 12 hours, 24 hours. It is 2:46 on Friday right now. I'll probably come back around 2 o'clock tomorrow, which is Saturday, after I put some work in with these. And I will give you my first impressions after 24 hours. Overall, the first initial wrap up, the case looks like a white chocolate egg. The earbuds, they're a little bit bulky, but they're not too heavy. They're a little bulky for my liking, but I will get them in ear, get them set up, and I will be back. And just like that, we are back 24 hours later. I logged a couple hours of music, got a walk in with these, a movie, some anime. First impressions. Now remember, sound wise, as of right now, they do not have an EQ. Now, supposedly, an EQ is on the way, but as of July 30th at 1:22 p.m., it's not here yet. As soon as I say that, they're going to release an update and there's going to be an EQ. But for real, really enjoy the sound signature. Solid bass, no complaints there. Really good sound overall. The bass doesn't dominate. It gets in, it gets out. Now, volume-wise, not the loudest. Now, I need to play with this just a little bit more, but for some reason, I swear that they get louder on my Z Flip 3 than on my Google Pixel 6 Pro. Not sure why it will play better with a different brand, but that's just what I've noticed so far. Kind of weird. Fit wise, they fit good. They're decent. I'm not a fan of how deep they go in your ear. They aren't uncomfortable. It's just different. Now, I do catch myself adjusting them here and there. Speaking of adjusting them, sometimes I can hear like the mics hiss a little, like the mics are like whistling, if that makes sense. Let me know if you're having that happening or if it's just me. Feature wise, ANC is good, but not touching the XM4s. ANC is good both inside and outside. I say that because the transparency mode I feel is good indoors, not so much outdoors. Sometimes I swap back and forth outside and I had to go to like the Google app just to make sure that transparency mode was actually on. It was weird, but yeah, it definitely works better indoors than outside. Multi-point has been flawless. Touch controls work perfectly. In-ear detection works just fine. No issues with wireless charge. Battery, I feel like is gonna be really good.
Now, I did make a couple calls, no major complaints, but they did say it sounded a bit echoey. This is the mic test, testing, 1, 2, 3, testing, 1, 2, 3. Let me know what you think.
Now, something I was kind of disappointed with was I saw that these were Bluetooth 5.0. I just knew that was a mistake because I have $60 earbuds with Bluetooth 5.2. Went to the Google website. It is confirmed only Bluetooth 5.0. Don't know why, but hey, who knows? Maybe they have their reasons. But yeah, that's just a quick summary of my experience so far. 24 hours in, not bad. Are they worth $200? I'm gonna have to let you know after a couple updates and some more time. It's vdoestech. I'll catch you on the next one. Later.